Hey guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve autoplay on AliExpress. To know how to fix or how to solve autoplay on AliExpress, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of AliExpress. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about AliExpress and if you will find the updates, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.